In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start with Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your account, get it funded, place your first trade, and build a simple routine that helps you stick with investing. First, head to the official Charles Schwab website and look for the option to open an account. You'll be asked to choose the type that fits your goals. A standard brokerage account is the most common place for beginners to start, and it's designed for buying stocks and ETFs. If you're focused on retirement, a Roth IRA can offer long-term tax advantages. And if you prefer a hands-off approach, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios uses automated investing based on your profile. Pick the one that matches your needs today, knowing you can add other accounts later as your goals evolve. Before you start the application, gather a few basics to make it quick and smooth. You'll need a government-issued ID, proof of address such as a recent utility bill or statement, and employment details if they apply to you. Set aside about 15 to 20 minutes. Having everything handy helps ensure your name and address match your documents, which can speed up verification. After you submit, approval typically takes anywhere from a few days to about 2 weeks. During this time, Schwab may reach out to confirm information or request an additional document. Keep an eye on your email and account messages and respond promptly to avoid delays. Once you're approved, it's time to fund your account. Log in, go to Move Money, then Transfers. Link your bank account, confirm the connection, and choose how much you want to move. Most people use an ACH bank transfer because it's straightforward and usually free. Transfers can take a couple of business days to fully settle, so plan your first trade with that timing in mind. When your cash arrives, you're ready for your first investment. Many beginners start with broadly diversified ETFs that track the market or with well-established blue-chip stocks and mutual funds. Go to Trade, enter the stock or ETF symbol, choose the number of shares or dollar amount, review your order, and place it. If you're unsure, a simple market order will execute at the current price. A limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. From here, build a steady routine. Do a bit of research before you buy, add money consistently, and monitor your portfolio with a long-term mindset. For most beginners, the core tasks are straightforward. Link your bank, transfer cash, research a few options, and place trades. Stay consistent, keep learning, and let time in the market work for you.